guys, after last week we did catch some sand bass. We're on the hunt again today at a new spot. Hopefully we'll catch some, but first we have to stop at this little banh mi spot. Buy two get one free. They're about $5 each, depending on which one you get. So hopefully they're good. But stick around and let's get on some fish.
Because we got, wow.
Alright guys, we got pretty much two of each sub, or not each sub, but two of the ones that we ordered. That is the roast pork one. Reminds me of char siu. Comes nice and warmed. So we got two of that one. We got two of the combination, or the rolled ham is what they called it. And then the other one is the roast pork. So give that a shot. Boom, boom, boom. Ooh, yes.
Oh, wow.
Yes. Look at that.
Bring down the camera?
I'll bring down the camera.
Wow, it looks so good.
And this is the roast pork. Let's get it.
Wow, I'm impressed.
Fucking fire. This is the rolled ham, the number one.
The typical, the traditional banh mi's. Hella nice. Wow. Wow. I'm so tired.
These are really good, guys. It comes with like a butter in here.
We always
Nice,
do.
savory pate, fresh vegetables.
Oh my god, that butter is like glistening.
The jalapeno though does not provide much of a kick, which is fine. Oh shit! There's a few people coming back right now. We got buckets.
Buckets!
But I don't know what's in the buckets, so. I mean, if people are fishing here, you know, it's bound to have something, so.
I'm back so early though. Breakfast!
Hopefully we could get on some fish. I mean, they're probably here for that morning bite, and that was it. Because they look like they have some light gear, so I don't think they're going for, I think they are going for the Sandies. Because those rods are really thin. Like a light or medium rod.
This one's not bad. To be honest, it's a little overdose on the butter though.
Never had too much butter.
I know. Oh, it's overdose on the butter and pate.
That's a Sandy. Oh, nice one, Bubs. Little baby. Hey, or is that a yellow bass?
Oh, what is it? Oh.
What is that, guys?
Oh, shoot. What the heck?
Because the Sandies we were catching the other day had a really yellow eye, you know?
Oh.
Interesting. Let me see.
Whoa.
Oh, the stripes are blotchy. Like it's all connected and it's separated at the end. I have no idea. Hey, yo, what are you doing?
Oh. Whoa. That's cool.
I have no idea.
It's so yellow.
That's why I think it might be a yellow bass.
That's cool.
Not a sand bass.
Hey, buddy. Oh, I'm fucking tired.
How dare you?
Alright, so after Angel's first catch of the day, that was our only catch of the day. We spent the next 5 or 6 hours just exploring the rest of this creek. We went to multiple access points. Still, no signs of fish, no action. The fish were just not active at all.
Alright guys, it's raining. Alright guys, we made it out to the water. It took us probably about 10-15 minutes of trying to find a spot to actually get down to the water and fish. I did take a few slips. There are ropes attached to some of these trees, so it helps us get down and it'll probably help us get back up. So let's get on some fish and stick around. Come on guys. Bubs! Oh, these are a lot nicer than the ones we were catching at the other creek. Oh, that's a keeper, bro. Look at that, guys. No, a little under. This is a size 11. Oh, you know, that might be close. Let's give it a measure real quick. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate you. Ooh, sorry. I literally just casted it out, and I was just bouncing this across the bottom. And then, boom, my line got heavy. And boom, fish on. Oh no, I think I forgot my pliers. Damn it, it's in your tongue, bro. I don't want to make you cry. Oh, did I get it? Nope, still in the tongue. Dude was hungry. Give me a second. I might have my other forceps in the bag. Alright guys, I actually do have my forceps. I thought I left it at home because the little, what do you call it? The retractable thing for it broke off. But look at that, guys. Rainy day, nobody else out here. Thank you. Come on. Ooh. There you go. Hi, buddy. This is a chartreuse curly tail grub with a pink jig head.
After that first catch, it was kind of hard for us to find the fish. We probably didn't get any more action until about 30 or 40 minutes later. Angel did catch a nice one that was caught off camera.
It was the lightest nibble, like so fast and so light. So no.
Did you see the 3 dudes come?
Yeah. They kept going.
Oh, they kept going.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Oh, that's a nice one.
Yeah. And I released it.
It's just one?
Yeah.
Damn.
It was just like right when it dropped in the water, it was like boom and it hit, and I was like, oh shit, oh shit. I was like, I don't have enough line because I'm running out of line. And I was like,
It was taking your drag?
It was like it was taking a while. Like I had to actually tighten my drag. My drag was still pretty loose, and I was like, fuck, 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 fuck.
Where was it?
Right here.
Oh,
right
was
when
it
you're
here?
throwing it. Oh, I forgot to tell you, I caught a crappie too. Oh.
That's a crappie right there.
Crappie too. Right there by the phones over there. The ripple.
Look at that, guys. Little baby crappie. Smile.
Yeah.
Thank you for your service. Nice. Angel's on, guys. Ooh, that looked like a nice size one. Whoa. Grab my measuring tape real quick. Whoa.
The other one was bigger, but number 2.
Let me see. Come back here. So 0. Ooh. 12. Ooh.
Wow. Dang it. other ones might have been at least 15.
Damn, that's nice. Want a picture?
Yeah.
Wait for it. Okay.
Your video?
You want a video?
Yeah.
Are you releasing it?
No, just me holding.
Oh.
Okay, it can release too. Ooh, they're sharp. Oh, here you go, buddy. Oh, right up there.
Oh, in the little con spot?
And then right when the lure came down here, it chased it.
Ooh, it's on fire. Ooh. That one looks fat.
No, not really. A little bit.
And that look like the same one that you just caught.
No, this one has little claw marks. Right?
Yeah, no, yours did have a claw mark.
Yeah? I'm always so scared holding them.
Just lip it like a bass.
They're so strong.
Bruh.
Like a bass, but I call bass.
They are bass. Good job, Bubba.
Oh my god, it's like stuck in his teeth.
That one's probably gonna be like 14.
Yes. I'm sorry. I gotta grip them harder. I'm scared.
Just grip them in the lip. Yeah, like that.
They have
Pinch
teeth.
it. It's fine.
I know. They're so strong.
You're so scared all the time.
I'm sorry.
Let's see, 0. That's about 12. I'm pretty sure this is the same one you just caught.
Oh my god. Okay, another one. Just one video.
Video?
Yeah.
Alright.
Did it have a red tail too, like this?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Alright, go ahead.
You recording?
Yeah.
A red tail too, like this?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Alright, go ahead.
You recording?
Yeah. I got you, dog. Angel is on fire. Fish number 4. Let's go.
We hit I can't.
What you mean you can't?
Oh, this guy's gone. Hold up, buddy. Okay.
You got it? You got it off.
I did. It's just so. There.
You gotta lip it like a bass, yeah.
Yay! Another one. I'm so excited.
Found them, guys. Let's go. Let me get one of them chartreuse things. Push it up.
The umbrella.
Push it up.
Ah!
Surfboard.
Oh my god.
Alright guys, my turn. Oh, my turn. My turn. Oh. I made it.
Ooh, that's beautiful. Yeah.
That was a close one, guys. Can't wash my hands. Alright guys, just gonna toss it right here into the currents. Did not want to do that. There's so many bugs on me. Flies actually. Alright, boom, right there. Nothing. I gotta wash my legs. Oh, that's a fighter.
Oh, dude, I stopped reeling for the longest time, and then
It was probably chasing it.
right there.
Ooh, that's a big one. It's a keeper.
Found them. Oh, where the heck are you guys?
Damn, he swallowed that bad boy.
He did. See, I told you I let it drop for the longest.
Hands in the way.
He. Nice size.
Here
Ready?
it is. Yep, go ahead.
Wow. It's probably crazy.
Not active.
Yeah.
Got in the rain. Yo, bro. Little guy. Yeah. Just a little one. I think that's a keeper. It's a keeper. I want to say it's a keeper. Pretty skinny. Alright guys, Caitlin's grab. Look at that. Anything chartreuse pretty much. Hi buddy. Appreciate you coming out to play. There you go. Bye. Ooh. It's like small ass fish like that. There's like a bunch of like small fish about that size keep surfacing. Come on. It's a little guy. Oh, that's a keeper. Think you might need a switch.
Huh?
You got a bite?
No.
Oh. Hey, this one's fat.
I know. Oh shit!
Oh, right. Ah, you little bastard. Oh, the tail broke. Oh, Might be time to call it. I don't know. That's probably a big one. It's stone. Alright, buddy. Appreciate you. Go. He ate the tail.
I know.
Little bastard. Yep. Our time out here is going to probably be very limited. We'll see how active the fish are for the next 15-20 minutes. Ooh, first cast with the new grub. Let's go, Bubba. Hey, the fish are getting active. I don't know if we can leave.
We have to follow. We're staying.
Ooh.
That's a nice little one.
That's not little, bro. These are all keepers so far.
No mama.
Let me get a picture of this for my thumbnail, you know, guys. Huh? What'd you say? My tail? Or your tail?
Mine.
One of them. Ooh, was that going after you? Or is it just surfacing? Nice one. Alright, the rain let up. That's still a lot of thunder. Only saw one lightning strike so far, so I don't know. We'll play by ear. Drag. Alright guys, just changed the battery. I'm probably about 3 or 4 fish in. Angel's probably at about 5 or 6, maybe 7. So, here we go. Alright, my line's been in the water. Let's see if anything's on. Nothing? Angel caught another one. She's all the way like right there. Another keeper? Oh, that one looks big. Uh-oh. Yeah, I'm on my way. I'm coming. Oh, that's a fatty, Bubs.
Stop. Oh, no.
Just grip it by the lip.
Okay.
Wow, let me measure that one real quick.
Yeah. I mean, these are all nice keepers.
0, 13 inches. Wow.
It's not even on.
It is on.
Oh. I didn't see my phone.
No. I let it sink too long.
Sorry, buddy.
Come here, little bastard. Ooh, got it up. I am on, guys. This one feels heavy. Opa! Oh, that's a nice one. Probably like a solid 11. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate you. Come on. Damn. Why is your jaw so tight? Alright guys, they are in these creeks. Come out and get them. Thank you, buddy. Yeah, swim that way. Yeah. Bye-bye. Oh no. Alright, cool. Alright, I was about to say, is he done? He was just swimming sideways. Thought I had to keep him. It is raining hard. And Angel just caught another one. I'm tied up. Yeah, I just got a new one tied on. So I'm gonna wait it out for a little bit. See what happens. It's not so bad. You got it, Bubs? Uh-oh.
There's always that second hook. I can never get it out.
Are you talking about the barb? That's the whole point of the barb, so you don't lose it.
Ooh, shit. Calm down. Oh, now I went to the upper lip. Oh, no, still there.
What you need?
There's literally a hole. I can't do it, Mom.
What you need?
Huh?
Do you need this?
Oh, I don't want to use downstairs. Yeah,
Yeah.
I got it.
Wow. It's so
Kinda dirty.
Bye-bye, buddy.
I should have cleaned them. I feel bad. I feel like don't the dirt stick to them?
Oh. Alright, going back to my little corner over here. Got a different chartreuse grub or jighead. Has like a little skirt with it. Let's see. Yellow head, red eyes. Let's see. A little further. Huh? Ooh. That felt like a nice tug. Or is it dragging across something? Man, I don't know. At 1 o'clock. Got out here a little after 9, so about 4 hours. 4 hours, about 12, 13 fish. Not a bad day, you know. Oh, I'm on. Let's go. Ooh, he's a runner. My J, yeah. Man, this one's big. Not that big. He's just strong. Ooh, yeah. Oh, he's so fat. Appreciate you, buddy. Man, he swallowed that thing. Look at that guy. Pretty fat, man. Definitely a keeper. Slack. And it's in his tongue? Gonna have to use my forceps and pliers. Yeah, bro, those some good hook sets, huh? Thank you, buddy. Appreciate you. Oh, come on. There you go. There you go. Cast along this little bank right here, because earlier I did see a lot of fish surfacing, but could be the carps. Alright guys, let's go. Come on. Big fish, big fish. Damn. There you go. Ooh. It's a fighter. Ooh. This one is fat. This... Baba is so fat. Ugh. Damn, buddy. Look at that. Just holding with my index finger and my thumb. It's putting a lot of weight on there. Let me try to. Wow. This one is a big one. Oh shit, I can't put my reel down. Just look at it. It's so fat. Huh? What? Big. My measuring tape is in my other pocket. I got it. Let's go. Let's see. That is 0. It's about 13 inches. But it's fat. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate you. Whew. Man, that one was not really long. It was about 13 inches, but it was fat. It was thick. Like, you saw the belly, man. Could have been, it must have been pregnant or something, but let's get back out there, man. Looks like they like not a really slow retrieve, but something like that. Oop, I already had a hit. Come on, come back. It's a little thump. Ah, damn it. Missed my opportunity for that. Let's get back out there. Get it back out there. Come on. was it? You struck it once and no more? Bastard. Bloody bastard. Let's go, guys. Ooh, he's a fighter. I'll have to tighten this. Ooh. Oh, he's right by the shore. Come here, buddy. Look at those head shakes. Ooh, that's a bad hook set. Snagged him. Oopsie daisy. Let me get that out of you real quick. Okay. All in all, nice fish though. Thank you for biting, or trying to bite. Sorry, I got you in your butthole. Ooh. He jumped out of my hands. That was a weird one, guys. I swear it bit, so that's why I set the hook. And then it just ends up under the belly. Oh. No. There is a snag right here. Why do I keep throwing right here? Losing too much stuff. It's gone. Damn. Okay. Well, let's take a moment to retie. And we'll get back out there. It's starting to come down. Need to go find my significant other. She took the umbrella. She's thundering. We're gonna have to call it a day. We wanted to keep going further, what is it, up the river or up the creek? But I don't know, man. It's storming. We might as well call it now, because who knows, if it rains too much, we might not be able to climb back up the trail. It was pretty steep coming down, and that was before it was like really wet. Are you serious? We're in big trouble if Angel can't make it up this trail, because I barely made it, and look how wet it is already. So come on, we gotta go, lady. Sorry about the wet spots, can't do anything about it, it's raining. Come on. We gotta get back to the car and go home. We're probably about 40 minutes away from the car, to be real with you guys. We're gonna get wet. We have no towels in the car. Alright guys, made it back to the car. Probably took us close to about 30-35 minutes. Stopped raining, but it was pouring, and our only concern was if the trail would get washed out, so we couldn't be able to climb up. So it took us a while to get back up though. But all in all, really good day. Out on the water for about 4 or 5 hours. I think I stopped catching after about 6 or 7 when it started storming. Angel was probably at a good like 10 or 11. That's a decent haul for today, but you know, we didn't keep any. But if we were to keep any, that would have been like 17, 18 nice fish. So thank you for watching. We'll see you guys on the next one, and then an update on the merch. So YouTube does not let me link the website onto my account just because I haven't met the criteria to become a YouTube partner program with them, which requires 500 subs, 3 uploads within the last 90 days, and a bunch of views or watch hours. But I will still leave down the link in the description or on my site. But yeah, thanks for watching and support the channel.